Hey YouTube, it's Max Reloaded here, showing you how to make a craft bucket server for Minecraft 1.3.2. So first of all, you want to do is go into your internet browser, go to the Bukkit website and look for the recommended build for craft bucket, but you don't have to worry about that because the link will be in the description. So once you downloaded that, you'll end up with a file like this. Then you want to make a folder for it. So you want to right click, new folder. Sometimes you might have to press enter to get it to edit the folder. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Minecraft server. Then you want to drag and drop your craftbukkit.jar file into your Minecraft server folder. Then you want to go into text edit. Then you want to go to format, make plain text. Click on that. And then you want to copy and paste this code. This code will be in the description. You can also allocate more RAM for your more memory for your server, just in case you're running a lot of plugins and stuff like that. So where it says like 1 gig, like that, you can change that to like 2 gig, whatever you want. But if you're not quite sure how much memory your computer has, you should go to the little Apple symbol, click on About This Mac, and there it shows you memory 2 gig. That's mine, but yours might be 4 gig or whatever. So I think 1 gig for me is more than enough. Then I'm gonna first of all, one thing. Where it says craftbukkit.jar, and this has got like a different sort of name. It's got like 1.3.1 R2. You just want to make sure the wording is exactly the same in both things. So because this already says craftbukkit.jar, the one I'm going to give you, once you downloaded it, I want you to press enter and get rid of like the 1.3.1. What I'm getting rid of right now is what I want you to get rid of. Otherwise it will not load up. So once you deleted that, press enter. So now it's edited to exactly the same. Make sure it's exactly the same. So then after this, you'll have to press Command S or File, Save. You want to go. I'm going to save mine to my desktop, and you can name it server.command or start.command. I'm going to name mine start.command. Start.command. Then you can exit out of this. Then you want to drag and drop your start.command or server.command file into the Minecraft server folder. Didn't have to press cleanup, I was just making it more neat. Before you can double click that start.command and start your server, you have to go into terminal and give it permission to start up. So what you want to do is type in chmod space a plus x, sorry, not capital X, just lowercase, space, and then you want to drag and drop your start.command file into there, and then press enter. Then you can exit out of that. Then you can double click your start.command. If you get this notification pop up, just press open, and it should load up. Now you see it's making a whole lot of files in here. This is your plugins folder, your banned IPs. It's just everything of your server. It's now creating the spawn, your spawn point for your server. So all these other files that it's making is all part of the process. If you get some things that say warning and stuff like that, just don't worry. It's all part of the process, and just lay back until it's completely done. Okay, now that it's loaded up, we want to stop it. So you just want to type in terminal stop, of course, stop, and then press enter. It will close down the server. Just wait for it. It says process complete. Now we're safe to log in. Get out of it. Now there's all these other files. Your world. You can put another world in your server, but I'll show you I'll show you right now what you have to do. If you double click it, you're gonna get this little thing. You're gonna get this notification pop up. You can choose application, then open up in text edit. But to prevent that from happening all the time, you want to right click it, get info. Go to open with other, and then type in text edit, or just look for it in your applications, like I am. You want to click on text edit and then press add and get out of that. So now you can open up server properties, and here's all the settings of your server are right here. So level name, like I was saying before, how you can change the world. If you were to change the world and it has a different name besides world, which I'm assuming it would, you have to get rid of world and type in the exact same name you dragged the folder that you just dragged and dropped into your server. So just say it says my custom world. I'm just making it up. My custom world. The folder is called. You'll delete this one and you put in your custom made world, but it has a different name. You got to change the name in here to exactly what it says when you drag and drop your world in. You can make game mode 0, which is survival, which is default, or you can make it 1, which is creative. You can make online mode to false, and what that does is it allows people with cracked Minecraft, not people that don't have the full Minecraft, will be able to get onto your server. When it's set to true, only people that have the paid Minecraft will be allowed to go on your server, or can get on. Here's your maximum plays. You can change that. You can change anything, but just be wary. If you might change something that... Just be very careful when you change something, because you might stuff something up and it will probably affect your server in a bad way. Just be wary. This little thing where it says a Minecraft server, usually you've probably seen it before when you when you add a server, and then it loads up and then it says like it has like their own name of their server and stuff like that. But by default it's set as a Minecraft server, but you can put like, you know, so-and-so's name, like my server and stuff like that. You can make whitelist. If you're not already familiar with whitelist, what whitelist does is it's set by default for false. And what whitelist does is you have to type in the user's username in the whitelist text file. So you go into that and you type in then username in here for them to get on your server. Make sure it's exactly the same as their username, otherwise they will not be able to get onto your server. And just to make it whitelist, you turn false by just deleting false into true, and that will made the server whitelist. But I'm not going to make mine whitelist. Also, if you make any changes to your server, you should press Command S to save it. And where it says server IP, that's what you're going to use to run your server. You could run it in. You could use your normal IP that your computer has in system preferences, and you go to network and you see IP. But your IP changes when you go to different networks. So to keep the same IP, and because you can be anywhere around the world that have the same IP with the program I'm about to show you, which is called LogMeInHamachi. I'm gonna show you right now. LogMeInHamachi will be running your Minecraft server. So this will also be in the description for Hamachi. This is what I use. To download it, go to the link that I provide for you in the description. You want to tick this little box that says conditions of use, and then press download now. I'm not going to download it because I've already got it. So then you should just install like any regular Mac app or program, and then just go into it. You won't have these ones. These are just my personal ones, and from friends. So what you want to do is this will all be blank for you, and it'll also give you an IP. Hamachi will provide you with an IP, and you'll want to type in your Hamachi IP into where it says server IP in your system properties. So for me it says 5.44.77.7108. The IP will be different for you, of course. It will tell you right there. And then you want to press network in LogMeInHamachi, and then create new network. You want to type in you want to just make a Hamachi network ID. You can be anything, but you might want something and it's already taken, so don't have to worry about it. Like, just say you have something and you worry about someone else taking that name and your friends getting confused or whatever. Once you have it, it's yours forever until you delete it, so you don't have to worry about that. So I'm just gonna name mine Minecraft server command, something long. And just make the password easy, like 123 or ABC. You have to give this to your to whoever who you want on your server, like you want to connect up to your server. They'll have to know your network ID, password, and your Hamachi IP. So once you're done, you want to press create. Hamachi's made the network ID. It's made the server. Now that you've made your Hamachi ID or server, you want to, that will be used. You can only allow 5 people on at one time, but what you can do is you can just create another network to allow another 5 people on your server, because on the free one you can only allow 5, but you just create another network and the IP will be the same. So it's a way around it. So once you've done that, you want to just exit out of that. Make sure you press Command S after you've made any changes. So now I'm going to start my server up again. Go into Minecraft. To make yourself op on your own server, because you won't have any permissions on the server, like as an op. So you want to go into the op text file and type in your username. I'm not, because it's just a temporary server for me. But you want to make sure you're an op before you start the server up, so you're op on your own server. And you can make friends ops and stuff like that. So then you want to double press the start command, and it should load it up in terminal. And there we go, it's loaded. Then you want to go to multiplayer, of course, like any regular one. And I've already got mine set up. Anthony Hamachi server, that's just mine. I'm not going to join it right now because it lags a lot for me to join it. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Yeah, that concludes this tutorial on how to make a Minecraft bucket server. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.